Modernize your tenant experience and greet everyone who walks through your doors with the TouchSource digital directory. With TouchSource, you're able to easily display accurate directory information, from virtual receptionists to local traffic and weather. What's on display is only limited to your imagination. You can even analyze user data to better serve your tenants and visitors. Our displays fit in everywhere you need to be, freestanding or wall-mounted. Our industry-leading designs are completely customizable. From the enclosure to the software, TouchSource creates intelligent buildings, making an interactive user experience. Our displays are simple to install and can be updated in seconds. Should you ever need help with an install or an update, our helpful support staff are just a click or call away. If you're ready to modernize your space, engage your tenants, and bring your building into the future, contact us today. For more information, visit www.touchsource.com or call 866-476-1872.